नमः सर्वेभ्यः शुभ दिनं सर्वेषां प्रार्थनया प्रारम्भं कुर्मः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। हरिः ओम तत्सत्। अस्तु, अद्य अष्टमः पाठः। अष्टमः नवमः दशमः इति पाठत्रयाणां दायित्वमस्ति इतोपि पठितुम् अस्माकम्। अस्तु, अत्र एकपङ्क्ति उक्तिः किमस्ति? वृत्तेन हि भवत्यार्यो न धनेन न विद्यया। वृत्तेन हि भवति आर्यः न धनेन न विद्यया। भवति आर्यः इत्यत्र इ प्लस् अ यण् सन्धि, यकारादेशः यण् सन्धि अस्ति। अन्ते आर्यो न इत्यत्र आर्यः न इत्यनेन उत्वं ज्ञास्यामः। उत्वमस्ति, विसर्गस्य उत्वं। तदनन्तरं गुणः एवं अस्ति। अत्र अर्थं किम्? अन्वयवाक्यम् एवं पश्यामः। किञ्चित् अध्याहरणं कृत्वा, जनः धनेन आर्यः न भवति इति। जनः एकः धनेन आर्यः न भवति। एतत्तु प्रायः पुरातनकाले इति स्यात्, इदानीं नास्ति तथा व्यवस्था। अस्तु नाम, जनः धनेन आर्यः न भवति। जनः विद्यया आर्यः न भवति. This is even more surprising, right? Dhanena आर्यः न भवति, we can understand. Okay, of course, remember आर्यः only a Sanskritam word for a respectable person, nothing more, nothing else. Okay, janah vidyaya आर्यः न भवति. So by education he doesn't become a nobleman. Okay, vrittena hi janah aryah bhavati. So this way if we spell it, it becomes a little easier. Okay, vrittena hi janah aryah bhavati. So vrittena is the keyword. What is this vritta? Okay, conduct. Okay, conduct. Okay, so of course they have extended it to good conduct, because when we don't put any special visheshana to it, we'll never take it in a negative sense. Okay, so generally it would mean good conduct. So good conduct makes one noble, neither wealth nor learning. Okay, there is no need for das. Okay, तो वृत्तेन हि भवत्यार्यो न धनेन न विद्यया. ओके, अत्र आर्यः इत्यस्य कुलीनः, सभ्यः, सज्जनः, साधुः इत्यादि रूपाणां गुणानां स्वीकारः भवेत् तत्र आर्यः इत्यस्य. भगिनी, प्रश्नः किम् आसीत्?
Yes, this only, this Aryaha only, Kulinaha, these are all like the qualities only, right? That is how we need to look at it.
See, basically, by the Western meter, all that Aryan race and all that, it's not, nobody calls themselves some race. Okay,
No, yes.
any civilization title themselves in a certain way, so or their dharma in a certain way. The way in which the civilization titled itself was, they are noble people, Aryaha iti. So that you can convert through Western lens as a race and all that nonsense. Then number two, dharma also. There was no other specific name other than just dharma, or perhaps Sanatana dharma. There was no Hinduism, that kind of naming. Who names themselves so? Some people afterwards identify them through some common name that is, for example, Christian, because they called their discoverer as Christ. So Christians, like that it became. Okay, so Hindu, of course, because of Sindhu river, we know that. Okay, all right. Sindhu itself is a beautiful Sanskrit word. It's a paryaya pada for jala, but in a very invigorating paryaya pada, okay, with its own specific qualities. Anyway, so we can see some quotes about this Arya because it's such a maligned word. Let us learn it well and understand what it is originally. Kartavyam acharan kamam akartavyam anacharan tishtati prakrutachare satu aryah iti smrutah. So within the Vangmaya, Samskrita Vangmaya, there is a definition. There is a what you call lakshana kathana. So kartavyam acharan kamam. Okay. So desirable duties conducting. See acharan, so shatranta. While conducting the desirable duties in his life, akartavyam anacharan, athava you can say yatha kamam anacharan. You can extend kamam in both directions with the correct quality. Yatha kamam akartavyam anacharan. So as per his own willy-nilly wishful desires, that which should not be done, not doing those. Okay, that kind of thing also. Tishtati prakrita achare. Tishtati prakrita achare. See this, prakrita achare. The prakrita here means that which is natural, human, natural, or basically defined as in nature, behavior that is defined for us by nature. Prakritachare yah tishtati sahatu aryah iti smrutah. That fellow is titled as Arya, is known as Arya, like that. Okay. Vrittihi इत्युक्ते जीविका, प्रवर्तनं, व्यापारः इत्यादि अर्थाः भवन्ति. अत्र तु प्रवर्तनम् इति स्वीकर्तुं शक्नुमः. इतोपि प्रश्नाः सन्ति चेत् पृच्छन्तु अस्य विषये. किञ्चित् मया चिन्तितम् आर्यः वृत्तिः इति एतेषां ज्ञानं भवेत् अस्माभिः. अस्तु. अत्र कुतः प्राप्तमस्ति इति मम कुतूहलः अपि आसीत्. गतसप्ताहे मया किञ्चित् संशोधनं कृतम् अस्य विषये. एतत्तु महाभारतात् स्वीकृतमस्ति. वृत्तेन हि भवत्यार्यो न धनेन न विद्यया. इट्स् नाट् सम् मॉडर्न एरा पुल आउट. ओके. महाभारते उद्योगपर्वणि श्रीकृष्णस्य कुन्ती समीपगमन प्रसंगे, ओके, कुन्ती श्रीकृष्ण संवादे कथितमस्ति. अत्र कोट् तु अत्र अस्ति, वृत्तेन हि भवत्यार्यो न धनेन न विद्यया इति. परन्तु प्रसङ्गवशात् ज्ञातव्यम् इति किञ्चित् अधिकं स्थापितं मया अत्र. कुन्ती उवाच इत्यत्र इतोपि अस्ति, तस्मिन् एतद् शृणुमः. न मे दुःखतरं किञ्चित् भूतपूर्वं ततोऽधिकं स्त्रीधर्मिणीं द्रौपदीं यच्छ्वशुराणां समीपगाम्. Not ever before has been something so sorrow bringing to me, such as the one where a Draupadi, who was such a wonderful Stree Dharmini, who carried herself in a proper way according to the dharma of Strees, Shvashuranam Samipagam Draupadim yet Abhavat. That means what happened to Draupadi in the Asthana of Kauravas. Okay, nothing has been more dukkha for me. That's what Kunti is telling Sri Krishna. Okay, of course, before I didn't explain Mahabharate, in Mahabharata, Udyoga Parvani, in the Parva called Udyoga, named Udyoga of Sri Krishna, Kunti Samipa Gamana Prasange, of him approaching Kunti and basically having a discussion in that context. Kunti Sri Krishna Samvade, I have just added it. There's nothing specific like that. Kathitam asti evam. It's told so. Somebody is unmuted. You have a question, Bhagini? Okay. Please kindly.
Sorry. Thank you.
Yeah. Kindly avoid hitting the mute button when you don't have a specific question. It brings a lot of echo. Okay. Anayita manaryena krodhalobhanuvartina sarve praikshanta kuruva. Maybe Kaurava, I don't know. Kuruvamsha, Kuruva maybe. ekavastram sabhagatam. Okay, so see, she was brought with krodha and lobha bhava yukta kauravas, okay, in front of everyone. Huh? That Draupadi, who was the wearer of a single cloth, okay, like that, okay. Tatraiva dhritarashtrascha maharajascha vahlikah arvalhikah कृपश्च सोमदत्तश्च निर्विष्णाः कुरवस्तथा. And that was the same sabha where so-called elite leaders of this Vamsha, such as Dhritarashtra, who was the supreme king. Okay, Bahlika, I don't know who he is. Let's leave it aside. I don't know whether it's a collitation. I have not done further analysis. I'm just telling it from my wits. Okay.
He was Shantanu's brother.
Shantanu's brother. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. So, Kripaha, Somadattaha, Nirvishnaha. I think this one is clearly qualification of this, something in a negative connotation. Kuravas tata. So, these Kauravas greats were sitting there who were Nirvishnas, something like that. Okay. तस्यां संसदि सर्वेषां क्षत्तारं पूजयाम्यहम्. In that samsad, I offer my namanas to all those who are true kshatriyas. And she, of course, quotes many were not true kshatriyas there. There were a few who were disgusted by it clearly. So I will offer pujas to such people who really I think were disgusted by the whole thing. Vrittena hi bhavatyaryo na dhanena na vidyaya. So in this context, Kunti is telling, see, all these man, sthana, jnana of these people did not make them Aryas. Okay, those who conducted themselves well that day are Aryas. Obviously, we know Krishna was the one who really, saved the day for Draupadi. So we know that. Okay. Tasya Krishna Mahabuddher Gambirasya Mahatmanah Kshattuhu Sheelamalankaro Lokan Vishtabhya Tishtati. Obviously, some praise of Krishna in the context. Then Vaisampayana continues the context. Sa shokarta cha hrishta cha drishtva govindamagatam nana vidhani dhukkani sarvonyevan evanvakirtayam evani something like that. Okay. So there is a end there. Sarvani etani something evani akirtayam something like that. Okay. But anyway, so Vaishampayana is saying like this, all this court of Kunti, she was so shokarta, so filled with dukkha, and she became very happy seeing Govinda who had come, and she conveyed to him all her travails. Akirtayam were told like that. Okay, nice. The style of these kavis is beautiful. See, I know we will stutter here, there with some strange word. Believe me, I just pulled it from Wikisource. Somebody has done wonderful work tabulating all this in electronic media. So I bow down to all those Mahatmas. So even with our fairly basic understanding, it's not too difficult to get a bhavartha at the sentence level. We will struggle with some vibhaktis and here, there, and some padas. But in the context, we get it. Here and there, it's okay if our understanding deviated from what is factual. As long as we know the storyline a little bit, we will get the meaning of the further details in there. Okay.
Sir, in verse 51,
Huh.
Guru Guravaha, similarly it must be Kuru Kuravaha. No?
I think Visarga Lopa Kuravaha. Kuru Kuravaha. I think you're right.
Here in 52 also Kuravaha Tata.
Again it comes Kuravas Tata. That there Visarga is even more clear with the Sakara.
Yes.
You're right, Bhagini. And here there is a Takara with a Karkasha Vyanjana inducing Sattva, and there is a Lopa due to Ekara. We just studied that variant recently. Nice. Good. That's what. See, if we did not have this kind of little bit of grammatical viewpoint of the language, we will miss all that beauty. Nice. Krudantaha, shanach pratyayah. In the previous lesson, you got familiar with nominative forms of shanach. Okay, nominative, as you know, is pratama vibhakti, where we are talking about the karta. Okay, in this lesson, you will learn all other vibhakti forms. So they're just throwing the whole book at us. See the declension tables in the next slide. So before we attack these sentences, just let us revise a little bit. Okay, I will read it for you guys. Anybody wants to volunteer to read this? I need 4 volunteers. Show your hand. Read the first one, Bagini. Just the pulling up form you read.
Kampamanaha, kampamanau, kampamanaha, kampamanam, kampamanau, kampamananam, kampamanan, kampamanena, kampamanabhyam, kampamanaihi, kampamanaya, kampamanabhyam, kampamanebhyah, kampamanat, kampamanabhyam, कंपमानेभ्यः कंपमानस्य कंपमानयोः कंपमानानां कंपमाने कंपमानयोः कंपमानेषु.
So as you notice, shanach is less troubling to us because it's a adanta or an akaranta pullinga. So declines like Rama, except we have to be aware where anatva, shatva, all those variations occur due to neighbor letter influence, but they are not too difficult. So it's fairly easy. And why shanach? Because kampate is an atmanepadi dhatu. So Ramaha, Ramau, Ramaha, Kampamanaha, Kampamanau, Kampamanaha. So Nahan, Nahanau, Naha, Nam Naunan, Nenanabhyam, Naihi, Nayanabhyam, Nebhyah, Natnabhyam, Nebhyah, Nasya Nayoho Nan, Nanam. Remember here duplication. Nanam, Ne, Nayoho, Neshu. So another way to practice these long words is just focus on the Antakriya and go also, because it will stick a little better. But of course, that's why we practice Rama Shabda. It's small, nice, and it's a good compact Akaranta Pullinga for everybody. Okay. So we thank you, Bagini. Siddhalakshmi Bagini.
आम् महोदय.
स्त्रीलिङ्गे पठतु वर्ये.
कंपमाना, कंपमाने, कंपमानाः, कंपमानं, कंपमाने.
Careful. Read this carefully again.
कंपमानानां.
No. You're over reading. Read what is there.
कंपमानां. क्षम्यतां महोदय, क्षम्यतां.
No problem.
कंपमानां, कंपमाने, कंपमानाः, कंपमानया, कंपमानाभ्यां, कंपमानाभिः, कंपमानैः, कंपमानयै, कंपमानायै, कंपमानाभ्यां, कंपमानाभ्यः, कंपमानायाः, कंपमानाभ्यां, कंपमानाभ्यः, कंपमानायाः, कंपमानयोः, कंपमानानां, कंपमानायां, कंपमानयोः, कंपमानासु.
Thank you. So again, as usual, Akaranta Strilinga. So our Lata Shabda or Sita Shabda, whatever you have prototype you have learnt, will hold steady nicely for us. So Lata, Late, Lataha, Latam, Late, Lataha. Like that we go, no? Same way. Na, ne, na. Let us just take Ma also, just to make it double word. Mana, mane, manaha, manam, mane, manaha, manaya, manabhyam, manabhihi. So very easy to decline. Once we remember the Lata or Sita prototype, we are in business. Or Rama, some people learn Rama. Okay, and of course, you know here Shatva and such variations you have to care, but most likely in Strilinga you have got this Sakara. Okay, all right. So Strilinga declension. Shatrantas, as you know, are applied to the person who is conducting the activity in concurrence with another activity. So that's why it becomes a namapada. It's a kridanta. So it becomes a namapada. So has a linga. Linga. It's not a fixed namapada which is avyaya. It is a declinable namapada which goes according to the person's gender. Okay. So thanks Siddhalakshmi Varye. Lakshmi Kumar Varye.
No.
Shayanaha, that you read.
Shayanah, Shayanau, Shayanaha, Shayanam, Shayanau, Shayanan, Shayanena, Shayanabhyam, Shayanaihi, Shayanaya, Shayanabhyam, Shayanebhyah, Shayanat, Shayanabhyam, Shayanebhyah, Shayanasya, Shayanayoho, Shayananam, Shayane, Shayanayoho, Shayaneshu.
Why did we separately list this? There are two variants of the Shanach we noticed. One was those which have before the whether they have mana or ana decision variant we saw. So the blue background ones are the mana variants and the green background one is ana variant. Why ana? If you remember, because shete was the latlakara ekavachana form. Okay, shete. The shete has ate ending. Kampate had ate ending. Those with ate ending decline with makara. Those without ate ending like ite, ute, etc. or ete like this one, they decline without the makara. Ana only applies. Okay. So the original Shanach doesn't have a makara. No? So the original Shanach will run. For them there is a ma inserted. Okay. Okay. For the ate variants. Okay. All right.
Me, sir?
I had who else in the list? Siddhalakshmi is done. Who said me?
Chandra.
Lakshmi Kumar has raised her hand already. Lakshmi Kumar, Marie? Oh, she lowered her.
I just read. Sir.
Oh, you finished. Sorry,
Yeah.
sorry.
Sorry,
Bagini.
I didn't lower.
Okay.
So.
Okay. Who? V Ranchit. Okay, I think they also finished. Okay, Bagini, you get it. Last one.
Shayana, Shayane.
No. Slow down. Read this.
Shayana, Shayane, Shayanaha, Shayanam, Shayane, Shayane.
No, you are reading correctly earlier only. Shayane.
Shayane, Shayanaha, Shayanaya, Shayanabhyam, Shayanabhihi, Shayanayai, Shayanabhyam, Shayanabhyah, Shayanaya,
Visarga, I didn't hear the Visarga. Shayanayaha.
Shayanayaha, Shayanabhyam, Shayanabhyah, Shayanayaha, Shayanayoha, Yoho, Shayananam, Shayanayam, Shayanayoho, Shayanasu.
One thing you have to practice, your hrisva and dirgha are not too distinct. You have to carefully curtail the hrisvas so that they stand out. For example, you cannot make it shayana yoho like that. Then na is heard too long. People will confuse it as dirgha. Shayana yoho na yoho. See, it is very important to kill the akara in the or the whatever hrisvatva quickly, and then the dirgha, once you drag it a little more than required, that's not a problem. But you should never drag the hrasva, otherwise it will lead to confusion.
Shayanayoho.
Shayanayoho. Well done.
Thank you.
So we saw the Strilinga variant of the same. Nothing exclusive. It is, of course, the ma is absent. That's all. Otherwise, it declines like Kampamana only. Nothing very unique there. Okay, thanks. I just wanted you guys to practice a little bit, so I used the occasion. So now with all that knowledge packed in our head, let us read these sample sentences. What I have done additionally is identified the vibhaktis. Okay. Hopefully it's error free, but anyway, let's look out for anything that is controversial. Naradah Vandamanam Dhruvakumaram Uthapya Uktavan. So Naradah Karta, Uktavan iti tasya kriyavachakah. Naradah Uktavan. Kam Uktavan Dhruvakumaram Uktavan. Karmapada. Okay, Dvitiya Vibhakti. Dhruvakumaram Uktavan. Kim Kritva Uktavan Dhruvakumaram Uthapya Uktavan. Uthapya means having made him get up. Okay. He was sleeping. So having, or maybe he was sitting in a dhyana. That's what I mean. Okay. Uthapya Uktavan. Vandamanam Dhruvakumaram. This is very clear now. Uthapya is related to his posture of Dirghadanda Namaskara or something like that to Narada who had come to him. Okay. Vandamanam Dhruvakumaram Uthapya Uktavan. So Vandamanam Dhruvakumaram, Dvitiya Vibhakti of the Shanach. Vandate has become Vandamanaha, and that in Dvitiya Ekavachana is Vandamanam. Is there a question? Somebody is unmuted. Okay, maybe they don't realize. Dasharatah Vardhamanan Balan Drishtva Hristavan. Okay, so Dasharatah Hristavan, Hristavan. Dasharatha became a fellow who became happy. Kim Kritva Hristavan, Kimapi Drishtva Hristavan. Having seen something, he became a happy fella. Just a minute, there's an aeroplane going. You may not hear, but I can't hear myself, so I have to stop. Okay. Dasharatah Vardhamanan Balan Drishtva. Kan Drishtva. Athva Kam Drishtva also can be. We don't know what is up, but here it's plural. So Kan Drishtva, Balan Drishtva, Kidrishan Balan, Vardhamanan Balan. Those who are growing. So Dasharatha became happy looking at his growing boys. Rama, etc.
So the meaning for the first sentence, sir?
Narada made Dhruvakumara, who was prostrating, get up and then told him something. Okay, simple. Okay, Narada Dhruvakumaram Uttapya Uktavan. Kim Uktavan iti na janimah agre bhavati tat. Kidrisham Dhruvakumaram Vandamanam Dhruvakumaram. The Dhruvakumara हिंदी में आसान होता है, इसका आंग्ल में अच्छा नहीं होता. नारद ने नमन करते हुए ध्रुव कुमार को उत्थापन करके क्लोजेस्ट टू हिंदी आई कैन कम बोला समथिंग. ओके. दशरथः वर्धमानान् बालान् दृष्ट्वा हृष्टवान्. सो दशरथ ने वर्धन होते हुए पुत्रों को देखकर हर्षित हो गए. समथिंग लाइक दैट. भाषमाणेन राजकीय पुरुषेण बहु प्रलपितम. सो राजकीय पुरुषः politician, पुरुषेण by the politician, प्रलपितम some kind of yap was done. Okay, so pralapa generally means some chat,
irrelevant talk,
lamenting,
irrelevant talk.
Pulambudal.
Irrelevant talk.
Yeah, a little bit of irrelevant talk. Correct, Bhagini. Okay, Bahu Pralapitam. A lot of pralapa was done by him. Okay, so Kidrishena Rajakiya Purushena, Bhashamanena Rajakiya Purushena, the one who was having the mic. So one who was speaking. So Tritiya Ekavachana. Okay, so Karmani Prayoga. So he has gone to Tritiya. Kta Pralapitam. Okay, and actually it's a Bhave Prayoga. Okay. Karyam Kurvanaihi Sarvairapi Prayah Phalam Labhyate eva. So Sarvaihi Labhyate. By everyone it is begotten. What is begotten? Phalam Labhyate. Prayaha is there as perhaps to put a certain doubt about that, which is the reality of life. Okay, eva is indeed. Okay, कीदृशैः सर्वैः kurvanaihi sarvaihi, those who are doing. Kim kurvanaihi, karma for the kshatranta is karyam kurvanaihi. So the work that is the fellows who are doing the work, every one of them perhaps obtain the fruit indeed. There is perhaps and then eva, so it's kind of a double contradiction sentence. One is pulling in one direction, other is pulling in another direction. You can conclude. Okay. Dhanam kamaya
But here
manaya.
praya is perhaps, is it?
Perhaps. So he says perhaps and then says eva only.
Eva.
Indeed.
Okay.
So probably it means most definitely. Perhaps
Yeah,
most
it
definitely.
is most definitely is such a ridiculous phrase, na? It means it
Maybe
actually
himself has
means
a doubt.
not, it literally means not definitely. It's a kind of thing.
Double
Anyway.
positive, negative.
Yeah, that kind of thing. Dhanam kamayamanaaya kripanaya anyat kimapi na rochate. So, kripanaya na rochate. We have to take the negation into the dhatu, otherwise it will become a little weird. So, for the one who is a kripana is who? One who is miser actually. Okay, but yeah, miser only. The miser, correct. Kripana. I can understand I was wondering how miser and dhanam kama, but now I understood. So for the miser, nothing else is desirable. For which kind of miser? For the one who is desiring money. His whole intention in life is to accumulate money, not to use it for any good of his own even. Okay, we have seen this aplenty. Somebody, recently got caught in Uttar Pradesh who was having several hundred crores but was moving around in rags like that. Dhanam kamaya manaya kripanaya anyat kimapi norochate. If you earn as a poor fellow 10 rupees which you earn with hard work, you can spend it like a king. If you steal, that is the thing. Okay. Yachamanebhyah bhikshukebhyah prayah sarve kupyanti. So here it's in okay, this one was in Chaturthi, right? For the Kripana. So Ramaya, Kripanaya, like that. Okay, yeah, Kamaya Manaya, Kripanaya. Kim Kamaya Manaya, Dhanam. So Dhana is a karma pada for the Shanach. Okay. Yachamanebhyah bhikshukebhyah prayah sarve kupyanti. So if you remember this Krodha, Kopa, these guys generate this Chaturthi sense in the one who is the cause of that. Okay. So due to is the closest translation in English we can come to. Due to the bhikshukas who were begging or upon the bhikshukas who are begging, I don't know how in English it goes. Okay. Perhaps everybody becomes angry. Kupyanti. So sarve, this is the karta here. Sarve kupyanti. Bahuvachana karta. But this is in Chaturthi Bahuvachana. Bhikshukebhyah. Bhikshukaya. Bhikshuka Ramaya Ramabhyam Ramebhyah. Bhikshukaya Bhikshukabhyam Bhikshukebhyah. Like similarly, Yachamana Machamanebhyah. Kinchit
Which word denotes perhaps in the sentence? Huh? Which of the words denote perhaps?
Prayah.
Same thing. We just saw it earlier, no? Prayah. Same prayah. Yeah.
Okay.
Kinchit spandamanaadapi vrikshat phalani patitani. So vrikshat patitani, phalani patitani. So from the tree, so this is classical Panchami. Phala falling from the tree, that which departs from becomes the Panchami, right? Source of the departure. So vrikshat phalam patitam, vrikshat phalani patitani, plural number of fruits. So kasmat vrikshat, okay, spandamanat vrikshat. Api is there as an additional enhancer. Let us come to that. So sorry, spandama. Spandayamanat. I don't know what is what I have made a mistake, I think, here. Okay, yakara. Spandamanat only. Okay. So Spandamanat api vrikshat. Okay, api we will treat later. So kinchit Spandamanat. So there is a further qualifier to the nature of the vibration. Spandana is resonance, vibration, shake, many such things. So little bit shaking. So from the little shaking tree also the fruits fell. The fruits were so ripe. So the sense that the Kavi gets with the api is the fruits were so ripe that even a little breeze can make them fall, because the tree shakes a little bit also, they fall. So that sense.
So,
Yes. Spandamanat is in Ekavachana. Vrikshat is in Ekavachana.
So,
So Spandana means is it touch?
No, it
No.
means responding to some force, vibration.
Achha.
Pratispandana means we echo the feeling of another, that sense. So echoing is literally resonance. Yeah. So guhasu vartamanebhyah vyagrebhyah mrugaha bhitaha. So bhi dhatu is another one that generates this variation. So kasmat bhitihi, that's how you remember this. So vyagrebhyah bhitaha. So kaha bhitaha or ke bhitaha mrugaha bhitaha. Echo coming through. When you unmute, no, please remember to mute. It will save me some time. So mrugaha bhitaha. The animals are the basically mruga here mean deer also. The deers are the ones who are afraid. So vyagrebhyah bhitaha. Vyagrebhyah mrugaha bhitaha. Due to the tigers, they are afraid. Kidrishebhyah vyagrebhyah vartamanebhyah vyagrebhyah. Okay. Kutra vartamanebhyah guhasu. Okay, amidst the caves. So by the tigers, okay, who are present in the caves, the deer were afraid. Deer only is plural. Deer were afraid. Okay, English is a funny language. Okay, bhashanam arabhamanasya उपन्यासकस्य अभिमुखं सर्वे स्वमुखं परिवर्तितवन्तः. See, there Sanskrit Bharati doesn't want to give us two penny examples. They want to lift us now. Okay, so we have to carefully track it. Okay, so sarve mukham parivartitavantah. Sarve parivartitavantah is the fundamental stem. So everyone turned. Everyone turned. Okay, parivartitavantah means changed, that kind of sense in its one native sense. But swamukham parivartitavantah will tell us, the karma pada tells us they turned their face, their own face. Okay, their own head, that kind of sense. So kimartam tatha. Okay, they turned not away, they turned towards is clear now from abhimukam. Okay, abhimukam swamukam parivartitavantah. Abhimukam means facing another face. That means they turned their face to pay attention to somebody. So abhimukam swamukam parivartitavantah. Kasya abhimukam? Upanyasakasya abhimukam, of the lecturer. Arabhamanasya upanyasakasya, the one who was about to begin. So Visheshana Visheshya Bhava. So the Shatranta travels to Shashti to go with the possessive case of Upanyasaka. Possessive case of Upanyasaka or the Shashti Vibhakti is due to the possession of him for the facing of the others. I mean, he was the possessor of the Abhimukha of the others. It's a way. See, उसका मुखामुखी सब लोग स्वस्व मुखों को परिवर्तित किया, something like that. Okay, भाषणम आरभमाणस्य. Okay, this is karma for arabhamana, so that doesn't go into any shashti. So bhashanam arabhamanasya. the of the one who is beginning to do a speech. Okay, that kind of lecture, of that lecturer's face, everybody turn their head, that kind of thing.
There is no, what's another word for parivartitavantaha?
See, abhimukhe abhimukam sarve swamukam stapitavantaha can be used. Okay.
Right. Thank you. Great.
Yeah, something like that.
Sir, what is the meaning of vartamanebhyah, you said? Guhasu vartamanebhyah.
Vartamana means present, no?
Okay.
So guhasu vartamanebhyah means from those tigers that are present in the caves.
Vartate, that is the...
Vartate, correct.
Okay.
In fact, Vartamana comes from Vartate. If you see Vartamana Kala, it's presenting type of, I mean, the one in the current time. It's actually a Shatranta which has become like a Namapada there, Vartamana.
Is standing for is. And Kamayamana is Kamyati or Kamayati? What is that? Because it's not so often heard.
Kamayate.
Kamayate, sorry.
At least you should not make the mistake of going to Parasmaipadi.
Parasmaipadi.
Kamayate.
Kamayate. Okay.
Is change, sir. Parivartanam is change.
Yeah. Parivartanam is change. Yeah. Prayatamananam karyasiddhi avashyam bhavati eva. So prayatamananam karyasiddhi. So this one is not a visheshana, it's just directly there. So prayatamananam, of those who are trying. Prayatna, prayatamananam. Prayatate. So prayatamananam. Okay, yat dhatu. Okay, and the pra is upasarga. Okay, yatate is also fine. Yatamananam also is same meaning. Prayatamanam is in a prakrishta sense they are trying. Okay, so for those who are trying, the fruit of their work definitely happens indeed. That is the sense of this sentence. Okay, all right. Devam sevamane bhakte shantihi vartate. Okay, not this student. He is studying for mathematics exam, so he is ashanta. He's just praying so that he passes, but all the formulas are spinning in his head. Anyway, Devam sevamane bhakte shantihi vartate. So saptami. See, when we place a bhava in another person, that person goes to saptami. So in the bhakta who is doing seva of the deva, peace reigns. Peace exists. Okay. Let's keep moving. Adhiyaneshu chatreshu shraddha bhavedeva. Adhiyaneshu chatreshu. Amidst the students who are studying, the focused action should be indeed present, like that. Okay. Itastatah kampamanam rajjum drishtva saha sarpah iti bhrantihi praptavan. Yakopi, somebody who saha sarpaha iti is a quote, is a subset sentence due to the iti. Okay, so up till rajjum drishtva and then saha sarpaha iti goes under quotes. Bhrantim praptavan. Yakopi, somebody, bhrantim praptavan. Somebody got confused, became a bhramita fellow. Okay, why? Itastatah kampamanam rajjum drishtva. Itastatah, from here to there. Okay, kampamanam, shaking. Rajjum, the thread or the rope. Drishtva, having seen. Saha sarpaha, that rope is a snake. Iti, so bhrantim praptavan. Who praptavan is not mentioned, but we have to obviously assume saha because a male is involved. Praptavan. Okay, is it understood, this sentence? So
Bhrantim, what's that?
Bhrantim, perception.
Bhranti means confused perception.
Okay.
Misunderstood.
Bagini?
Misunderstood, can we say? Misunderstood.
Not misunderstood is not correctly fitting. He
Felt like.
he
Yeah,
you can say misunderstood in this in a way. Yeah, fine.
Mistook it.
Like a doubt.
Mistook rope for a snake.
He
Like a
mistook a
doubt.
rope for a snake. Doubt. Yeah, he mistook rope for a
Wrongly
snake.
perceived.
Wrongly perceived. Mistook is also fitting. No problem.
Illusion.
Okay. He became disillusioned that okay, actually disillusion doesn't fit. Disillusion is when you have an expectation it should be a sarpa. He thinks it's now he knows it is a sarajju. It is opposite direction. Anyway, bhajamanaha pautrihi drishtva pitamahi santushta. So the grandmother, paternal grandmother, became a happy lady having seen her granddaughters who are praying. Which grandmother won't be happy nowadays? Okay. Badhamanaya shirovedanaya mama bhagini asvasta. My sister became upset or ill by a headache that is bothering her. See, badhate, badhamana. So same in English. So by the bothering headache, my sister became upset or ill, something like that. भिक्षमाणाभिः भिक्षुकीभिः सन्तोषः अनुभूतः किम्? प्रश्नार्थक. भिक्षुकीभिः सन्तोषः अनुभूतः किम्? So सन्तोषः अनुभूतः कर्मणि क्त प्रयोग. So कर्ता भिक्षुकी बहुवचन तृतीया. So तृतीया बहुवचन. So भिक्षुकीभिः के लताभिः. Actually, not it is a Gauri Shabdavat. Okay. Nadi Shabdavat. Bhikshuki. Okay, so this one. Bhikshamanabihi. Okay. This is clearly like a Akaranta Strilinga. So Bhikshamanabihi. Kshakara has a sh. So Natto has happened to the Nakara. Bhikshamanabihi bhikshukibihi santoshaha anubhutah kim. By the beggar ladies who were begging, was happiness experienced? What? Did somebody donate? Like Visheshena alochamanayai lekhikayai prashastih pradatta. So lekhikayai prashastih pradatta. For the sake of a lekhika, a paritoshaka or a prashasti was given. So kidrishyai alochamanayai leshikayai, for the one who was thoughtful. Okay, visheshena alochamanayai lekikayai, by the authoress who was thinking in a special manner. That means she had written a thoughtful article, so she obtained a prize. That kind of thing. It was given to her. विक्रीणानाभ्यः शिक्षार्थिनीभ्यः पुस्तकं स्वीकुर्वन्तु. So receive the book. This is a lot. So भवान् पुस्तकं स्वीकुर्वन्तु. So बहुवचन भवन्तः. So भवन्तः पुस्तकं स्वीकुर्वन्तु. You all. See, how did I know भवन्तः? स्वीकुर्वन्तु is बहुवचन. So I know भवन्तः is applicable there. So भवन्तः पुस्तकं स्वीकुर्वन्तु. So शिक्षार्थिनीभ्यः पुस्तकं स्वीकुर्वन्तु. Receive it from the shiksharthinis. Okay, those who are lady students, that kind of. Vikrinanabhyah shiksharthinibhyah. So for from those lady students who are selling, maybe these are seniors selling books to juniors. Imagine some context like that. Yes, Varya. Was there a question, gentlemen? Okay. So vikrinanabhyah shiksharthinibhyah pustakam svikurvantu. So receive it from them. Okay. So because the reception is from them, they are the source. So they are in Panchami. Okay. Uddayamanaya.
Sir, so sorry. I thought that I was unmuted and I was asking you a question. But so for the previous line, vikrinanabhyah shikshanarthibhyah, could it be that we say that pustakam svikurvantu for the shiksha?
No. This is
because of vikrinabhyah, we probably understood that it is from them, right? But if it
No,
was
see, there is a svikara. So svikara and svikurvantu. If svikurvantu was addressed to the students, then they wouldn't be in Panchami or anything like that. Okay. So we have to know that the directive is to somebody else. Okay. And these are the persons from whom the book has to be received, like that. Okay.
No, I'm saying in this
Especially
way,
if you see Vikrayana means to sell. Okay.
To sell. Okay. Yes. Thank you.
Kretum ichchami, vikritum ichchati. That means somebody who wants to sell, that vikrayana is used in that sense. Uddayamanayaha shenyaha shuka shavakaha atyantam beetah. Shavakaha, kshamyatam, ekavachan. Shuka shavakaha atyantam beetah. So shuka shavakaha beetah. The baby parrot, okay, very, very afraid. So किमर्थं भीतः सः शुकशावकः शेन्याः भीतः. So bheet dhatu produces panchami from the shena. What is shena? This guy. Okay.
Hawk.
This guy. So this is, it is looking directly at our little beautiful sweet parrot. Okay. So Shukashavakaha atyantam beetaha, though this looks like a happy parrot in the picture, but Shenyaha saha beetaha. Shenyaha kidrishyaha Shenyaha uddayamanayaha Shenyaha. By the hunting bird that is flying. Okay.
Eagle also you can say.
Eagle, yeah. Hunting eagle which is flying, yeah.
Sir, Atyantam could be extremely afraid. Atyantam beetaha.
Atyantam beetaha.
Very beetaha.
Yeah,
Very afraid.
Bahu beetaha, atyantam beetaha, correct.
So extremely afraid could be the word?
Yes, it is extremely afraid, yes.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Correct, Bhagini.
Mahodaya, Shuka Shavaka, little parrot.
Little parrot, baby parrot.
Oh.
Spardhamanabhyah shiksharthinibhyah prashastih diyatam. This is a little better than the earlier one which confused Svikurvantu. But here, shiksharthinibhyah prashastih diyatam. Okay. So, for the shiksharthinis, okay, okay, prashastih diyatam. Okay, give the present. What present? We don't know, but to what kind of students is explained. Spardhamanabhyah shiksharthinibhyah, to the competing girl students. Okay, the prize please you give. So some guest is being told to give the prize to them, something like that. Okay. Yes, Varya?
No, I also said competing.
Competing. Spardhamanabhyah shiksharthinibhyah. See, this all these are not easy if you suddenly spot them in some random place. Here we know we are dealing with Shanach, we are dealing, and we are trying to make understanding, and so, but over time we should start gathering that okay, this whenever you see abhyah and all that, you have to think the declension. Okay, panchami, chaturthi, what will apply? Look at the dhatu and conclude. Okay. रावणम एव अशंकमानायाः सीतायाः मनसि हनुमतः दर्शनात् भीतिः उत्पन्ना. So आशंकमानायाः सीतायाः, of the Sita who was doubting. Ashanka means doubt, right? Ashankamanayaha, shankate iti. Okay, so ang upasarga is there. Ashankamanayaha sitayaha, by the Sita, okay, of the Sita who was doubting. Manasi. Why Sita is in Shashti? Because the manas is her possession. So Sitayaha manasi, in her mind. And this is in Saptami, Manasi. Okay, in her mind. In mind is Saptami. Of Sita is Sitayaha. कीदृश्याः सीतायाः, ओके, आशङ्कमानायाः सीतायाः. सो किम् आशङ्कमानायाः? रावणम् एव इति आशङ्कमानायाः. ओ, Ravana only I am seeing. So doubting. Kimartam tatha Hanumatah darshanat bhitihi utpanna. So when Hanuman comes first to Ashokavana, before that lot of drama, all these various Rakshasis that are supposedly protecting her are taunting the way, or having all kinds of different changing appearances. Ravana was also capable of that, and he would come in, and actually he had come in the Brahmana Vesha also to steal her. So she thinks, okay, who knows, this Hanuman is not Ravana in some other Vesha, like that. Okay. So she was initially afraid. We know that context. So this is again Hanumatah Darshanat, of Hanuman the Darshana. So Hanumatah is again in Shashti, and Darshana is the possession of his, that's why he is the possessor of his Darshana, so he is in Shashti. So the Darshana of Hanuman, like that, of Hanuman is Hanumatah Darshanat. This becomes Panchami, from. Okay, Bhiti hi utpanna. So this Bhiti is at there, Darshanat. वेपमानानां युवतीनां बान्धवाः तत्र आगताः. So वेपमानः, okay, vepate means shakes, I think.
Trembling.
What is there in
Sweating.
17? What is written? Sweating. Okay. Svedamana, same as vepam. Okay.
Trembling.
So, little bit trembling. Sweating may be associated, but I think it is trembling. Yeah. Trembling. Okay. Kampate, vepate, like that. Okay. But vepate is used in a more subtle context than kampate. So, vepamananam yuvatinam bandavaha tatra agataha. So, of the many young ladies who were trembling, the relatives of them came there. That's all it's okay. So because the bandhus are their possession, means they are related as bandhus to them. So she goes to, or they go to Shashti Bahuvachana. Okay. Sitayaha Sitayoho Sitanam Yuvatyaha Yuvatyoho Yuvatinam. I mean, of course, it's a different Ikaranta Shabda, but Vepamananam declines like Sita Shabda. Khidyamanayam Vruddayam Nutanaha Abhilashaha Utpannaha. So, new desire was generated. Okay. In the Vruddha. So, this generation of the Abhilasha is Saptami relation. So, in the Vruddha, in the old lady, this new desire got generated. Okay. What new desire, we don't know. But what type of lady, old lady, is clearly explained here. Okay. Khidyamanayam Vruddhayam. Okay. So Latayam, Vruddhayam, Manayam. So Vruddha is also Akaranta, Mana is also Akaranta. So Kidyamanayam, Vruddhayam. In the lady, old lady who was encountering some kind of kheda, means some kind of sadness. So in the by the B-sad, or in the B-saddled lady, old lady, a new desire got generated. Spardhamanasu balikasu Shalini Tikshnamatihi. So amidst the girls who are competing, Shalini is sharp-minded. Atape pratikshamanebhyah mitrebhyah panakam rochate. Atapaha means the sun heat, the heat of the sun. So basically bisilu, as we say in Kannada. So atape pratikshamanebhyah mitrebhyah panakam rochate. So by the friends, napumsakalinga mitrebhyah. So by the friends, panakam rochate. Okay. So Ruch Dhatu has put them in Chaturthi. So Atape. Oh, wait a minute. Mitram Ramayana Ramabhyam Ramaya Ramabhyam Ramebhyah Ramaya. So to them, that sense. Okay, Chaturthi. To them, Panakam rochate. Not by. Pratikshamanebhyah means those who are waiting. Okay. Pratiksha means to wait, and pratikshamanebhyah means by those. For those mitras who are waiting.
For the waiting friends, I think, sir. For the waiting friends, Panaka.
Yeah. For the friends who are waiting in the heat of the sun, the cold drink is desired. Lambamanani phalani svikaro. Okay, 1 minute. Lambamanani phalani svikarotu. So lambamana hanging. You can call it hanging vertically. So Lambamanani phalani svikarotu. So receive the fruits that are hanging or take. Okay, this is lot. Bhavan svikarotu. Okay.
So the previous sentence, Spardhamanasu Balikasu, what is Spardhamana?
Spardha means to compete, no? So Spardhamanasu is amongst the ladies who are competing. Yeah, those who are competing. Amidst them. Why Saptami? See, this Saptami here is because this is a style in Sanskritam, no? When we pick one from many, see, Rakshaseshu Ravanaha Kruraha, like that. Okay. Amidst the Rakshasas also, the one who is ultimate Krura is Ravana, like that. Okay. So we use Saptami in the sense of amidst or among. Okay.
So Shashti can also be used there, sir?
No, usually when we pick one from many, Saptami is used. Okay.
And
see,
20...
we don't say Balika, Sita Nam. See, we don't say Balika Nam Shalini. We don't say Balika so Shalini. Maybe there is a case for Shashti. I am not too sure of my grammar there. Yes, Bhagini?
In 21, Ravanam Eva, can you tell that again? Why it is Ravanam Dvitiya?
Ravanam iti eva. Iti you add, then you will become clear.
Okay.
Actually,
it's a different
iti
sentence,
if I add,
actually.
no. Okay. It's not different sentence. Ravanaha iti is substituted with Ravanam. Okay. See, we are more used to the simpler Ravanaha eshaha iti Ashankamanayaha Sitayaha Manasi Hanumatah Darshanat Ditihi Utpannaha. But Ravanaha eshaha iti is substituted with Ravana as a karma. Ravanam Ashankamanayaha. Sita who was suspecting that it is Rama. So Ravana. That it is Ravana. Okay. Got it?
One doubt.
Sir.
Okay,
sir,
the
11th
gentleman
one.
had a question. Gentleman, go first.
Mohan, this whatever we are finally putting the vibhakti, that is applicable for the Shanach.
See, in most cases,
given,
good
right?
question. Good question.
On the end, we put the vibhakti that is applicable for the bold letters, right? That is Shanach Rupa.
Whatever I have annotated that to the right in color, it is for the bold one. Okay. Our focus in this learning is the different vibhakti forms of the Shanach. And many cases, this Shanach is like a Visheshana to somebody else or some other person that is there. And that person is also declining in a similar vibhakti. So we are getting vibhakti pairs there. Okay.
That gives a clue.
Not a clue, because Visheshana Visheshya, that happens. See, Shanach finally is somebody who is doing something. Somehow I am not very clear what you are asking because microphone is very clouded. From what I could make out, your question was, is the vibhakti number and linga that is put related to the bold one? Yes. Bold one, is it Shanach? Yes. Why is Shanach going into different vibhakti? Generally because the karta, I shouldn't use karta, the namapada with which or visheshya with which it is visheshana is also declining according to the tone of the sentence that those declensions are happening. Okay. Yeah, that much I can say.
Mahodaya.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Mahodaya. 11th one, Devam Sevamane Bhakte Shantihi Vartate. In that Sevamane is, you said the Saptami Vibhakti is used for
for speaking of the mind or bhavam.
See, when you place something, some bhava is placed on a person, that person goes to Saptami. Rame mama bhakti asti. Think of that sentence as a prototype. Rame mama bhakti asti. Shanti is also a bhava. Okay. So, bhakte shanti asti vartate. Bhakte Visheshana is Sevamane Bhakte. So, Sevamane is in Saptami. And Karma Pada for the Seva is Deva.
Okay.
Sir, I have a doubt. Sir, I think we have discussed this in the past also, but this recurring doubt. So we you always say this, right? This Shanachpati is not a verb at all. It's just a verb form. You cannot use it as a verb.
Actually, that's why I distinguish. See, Kriya Pada means Lakara Kriya Pada. Okay. When you use the word Kriya Pada, it has to be a Tinganta. And Tinganta can be a Lat Lakaranta or a Lang Lakara, whatever. One of the 10 Lakaras that we know. So that is a Tinganta, and that only in one sentence, one Tinganta is essential and right. But when there are
so we use
Kriya
this for
Vachakas.
participle.
These are Kriya Vachakas. Okay. They are
But
doing
in
Kriya
English, right,
Vachaka, but they are associated with some person. Yeah.
But so here we use it as a participle, right? But I mean, not comparing directly with English, but in English we say he is running, right? It is also participle, right? So how do we do that here? I mean, running there, you can use it as a verb, there on the verb, right? But here, how do you use it? Because
if you
there you cannot classify it as a verb.
Because there you see is the active verb and running is the associative vachaka. Okay. So saha dhavate. Yeah. So saha davamanaha asti is the equivalent Sanskrit sentence. Okay. But you don't need all that tense. You can say saha davati and get done with it. That's all.
But that he runs, right? I mean, he runs.
What is the big difference between he is running and he runs in English? I don't see anything.
Sir, it is more for the adjective, no, like dhavamanaha balakaha patati, like that.
Yeah, that is when when you take it beyond simple asti association, it starts becoming more useful.
Correct.
It's like running boy. The running
the
boy
opportunity.
falls.
Yeah, the opportunity is there for now more colorful kriya padas than simply asti. Okay. Yeah.
Sir, in 21, bhiti utpanna. In 23, avilasha utpanna. What is the difference, sir?
Bhitihi is strilinga pada. Abhilasha is pullinga pada.
Okay. Thank you.
Of course, my strilinga annotation is for the Shatranta, Shanajanta, Kshamyatam, Shanajanta. Okay?
Okay.
Don't read that there's the linga of the karta or the something like that. No. This is the linga of the Shanach pada.
Okay, sir.
Of course, that linga is because the Shanach is associated with the strilinga pada, Vruddha. So the original stri there is Vruddha. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay. In the sentences above, you find the singular and plural forms of Shanajanta, masculine and feminine, in all the vibhaktis and a few neuter gender forms also. You might have observed that Shanaj forms are Akaranta and declined like Rama, Phala in masculine and neuter genders, and in feminine they are Akaranta and resemble Rama, Shabda. So we saw this. Okay. So let's take a break. Good. So we have come to the Abhyasa. Let's take a break, 12:08. So take a quick water break, 12. So 4 minutes and let's be back. Okay, stay connected, but you take a water break.
Sir, sorry, sir, again, that 15th sentence, can you please tell the meaning in English? It's in English, sir, 15th. Badamanaya Shirovedanaya Mama Bhagini Avaswastha. Bodam.
Sorry, was there a question? Siddhalakshmi has her hand up.
Yeah.
What's
Sir,
Bhagini?
in 21st question, sentence, I'm sorry. The word Manasi, it is Saptami that is told. So what is the original word?
I couldn't understand you somehow. You just speak softly. You're saturating the mic. Just speak softly, please.
Yeah. Manasi. Which word is original word?
Manas Shabda.
Okay.
Manas. Manas Sakaranta Shabda. It becomes Manaha and Manasi in the mind. Saptami.
Thank you.
Okay. Abhyasah. अतस्तन शब्दानाम् एकवचनान्तानि सूचित विभक्ति रूपाणि लिखत. So write the indicated form in the correct declension in ekavachana, okay, for the following words. So we are to shift it. Obviously they have given prathama, kampamana, vruddha, and we have to shift to Panchami. It's not what you call terrific exercise really, because if we have this in our mind, which is not too difficult because Rama and Lata Shabda are there in our brains pretty much. So it's a matter of running through in the head if we are confused, if it is not coming out naturally, and doing it. Actually, the challenge will come not for the Shana Janta. It's easy. The Visheshya Shabda that is associated with the Shanach, that will challenge you. Okay, because it can be Ikaranta and all that. Okay, so we have to be careful there. Okay, so Kampamana Vruddha, Panchamyam Kampamanayaha Vruddhayaha, like that. Okay, so Kampamanayaha, Shashti and Panchami have the same form. Jrumbamanaha Navikah. Dvitiya
Jrumbamaanam navikam.
Very easy. Jrumbamanam navikam. Jrumbate iti pumsi. Jrumbamanam iti asti. Jrumbate iti pumsi na. When I said iti pumsi ityatra, shanach pumsi. Jrumbamanam navikam. Kimartam pumsi navikah iti pullinga shabdah. Tadartam tatra pullinge eva jrumbamanam. Jrumbamanah jrumbamanam iti bhavati. तो अत्र लिंगम यद् दत्तमस्ति तत्तु शाणजन्तस्य अपि च विशेष्यस्य लिंगम, न तु जृम्बते इत्यस्य लिंगम. जृम्बते इति लटि कथं भवति आत्मनेपदी धातोः रूपम् इति सूचितम्. आरभमाणा चर्चा सप्तम्याम्.
आरभमाणायां चर्चायां सप्तमी.
Very good. Charcha is strilinga. So charchayam. So like Sitayam and Arabhamanayam. So very easy. Rabhate. See this dhatu. Rabha, Rabh. So A is a upasarga there. So Rabhate is the original dhatu. Interesting. Okay. Vidyamanam pustakam panchami.
Vidyamanaat Napumsalika Panchami.
Napumsaka is also like pullinga after Tritiya Vibhakti. So at. So Vidyamanat Pustakat. Very good. Panchami Napumsake. विद्यते इति लटि आत्मनेपदी रूपम. प्रकाशमानः.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, rabdhe is meaning rabhate, the second one.
Rabhate is in the sense of some kind of activity start, something like that. Arabhate is with the upasarga ang. That's all.
Okay, arabdhe is starting, and rabhate would be, sir. I didn't understand.
It is also in the sense of starting some activity only.
Okay, all right. Thank you.
Prakashamanah Suryah.
Prakashamanena Suryena.
Correct. So very easy, Ramayana type. So Prakashamanena Suryena Kashate iti. Atrapi pra upasarga yukta kasha dhatuhu kashate iti lati tasya atmanepadi rupam. Deepyamanam mukham chaturtyam.
Deepamanaya Chaturthi.
Don't make it Deepamana. This is Deepya. So Yakara should not be correct. Deepyamanaya mukhaya. So napumsake napumsakalinge asti tat Deepyamanaya mukhaya. Parantu atra tu chaturtyam napumsakah va pullingah va samana rupam svikarati. Trayamanah devah shashtyam. I pronounced it wrong. Traya, correct. Trayamanasya devasya. So for the protecting god of the god who is protective. Okay, trayate means to protect, to take care, to protect, like that sense. Okay. Grihnanah or Grinhanah, both pronunciation, I'll leave it there. Grinhanah Markatah, Tritiyayam. By the monkey who is grabbing. Maybe Kela. Okay, so by the monkey who is grabbing. Grinhite iti Atmanepadi Rupa. Shayana Putri Saptami.
Shayanayam Putrayam Saptami.
Putrayam. Okay, begini. Kampamanayam. So Shayanayam Putrayam. Shete iti. Dhatu. Atra Shete ityatra ete ending asti. Grihite ityasya ite iti ending asti. Tat karanateva ma iti na shrutam. Atra pashyatu. That's why I have red. Till now I had blue. All these are ate ending. Ate. First time we got ite. Next we got ete. So no makara. Of course, you already know it because here they have given the Pratama Vibhakti declension already. But just for attention, I have brought it. Janana sa Panchami. Jananayaha tasyaha. So janite ite iti ending. That's why it's also having no makara. Okay. Janayanayaha tasyaha. So what is the meaning? Let us collect it after we read the last one. Tanvanaha sauchikaha dvitiya.
Tanvanam Sauchikam.
Pullinga Shabda. Very good. Dvitiya ekavachane Tanvanam Sauchikam iti. Tanute iti. Ute iti. Tadartam tatra makaraha nasti. Atra Jrimbamanaha Navikaha, the sailor who was yawning. Okay. I won't go to the correct Vibhakti and explain. I'll just explain it in Pratama Vibhakti. Arabhamana Charcha, the argument or the discussion that was about to begin. Then Vidyamanam Pustakam, the book that exists. Prakashamanaha Suryaha, the sun that shines. Deepyamanam Mukam, the face that is shining. Trayamanaha Devaha, the god that is protecting. Grinhanaha Markataha, the monkey that is grabbing. Shayana Putri, the daughter who is sleeping. Janana Sa, the lady who is knowing. Okay. Janite. Okay. So Janana, the one who knows, that lady. Okay. Janan Saha, janana, sa. Achha, jananah, not janan. Jananah, saha. Janana, sa. Tanvanah, sauchikah. The sewer who is sewing, I think.
Tailor
Tanvana
who
is
is
spreading,
sewing.
sir.
Sauchika is tailor, sir.
Sauchikah is the tailor. No, Tanvanah, Tanute.
Spreading the cloth.
Weaving.
You can
Weaving.
Weaving only. Yeah,
Tanvana is spreading.
spreading. Tanoti. So correct. You are right. It is used for Kirana also. Surya Kirana also we use it. That's why I got confused. So the tailor who was spreading the cloth or something, I think. Sounds like that. I'll have to cross check the context here a little bit.
So also rabhate means to be happy or to be delighted, and when we put our there, it becomes to begin.
Ramate is that, no? Rabhate is having that sense?
Yes, sir. In Ashtadhyayi, it is actually 1.1129 verb, and they have used it in Raghuvamsham as mrudunai varabhate prajantakaha.
Okay, very nice. Okay. So that means celebratory sense is also there in that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So maybe in the Rudi, when we use Arabhamana, we say that process of activity that happens in the beginning. So from that it. Okay. Good. Very good. Adhasthana Shabdanam Bahuvachananta Rupani Likhata. So now they have asked us to switch to Bahuvachana. Now what they have done, they have given it already in peculiar declensions. Okay. And so we have to quickly recognize what is the Vibhakti and then go to the Bahuvachana. Should not be too difficult. So Yudhyamanam Veeram, Yudhyamanan Veeran. So Ramam, Raman, like that. Buddhyamanat Vishayat.
Buddhyamanebhyah vishayebhyah panchami.
Very good. Panchami. Buddhyamanebyah vishayebhyah panchami pullinga. Rajamanam simhasanam.
Rajamanani simhasanani dvitiya napunsakalinga shabda.
Okay, now Bhagini is caught on nicely. Simhasana va simhasanam va iti manasi stapaniyam. We have never heard of the simhasana type of declension. So by Rudi you should know it is actually in Prathama Vibhakti also simhasanam. So this could be Prathama or Dvitiya if it is in Napumsaka. So Rajamanam simhasanam can be Prathama Ekavachana or Dvitiya Ekavachana. You can decline it to Bahuvachana, will be also same. Palampale Palani, Palampale Palani. So Rajamanani Simhasanani, like Bhagini said, Napumsake. Prathama or Dvitiya, you can write either. Okay? Because we don't have any sentence to go with the context, we don't know what Vibhakti this is in. Very good. Cheshtamanena Balena.
Cheshtamanaihi balaihi tritiya bahuvachana pullinga shabda.
Kampamanaihi. So Cheshtamanaihi balaihi. Very good. Tritiya bahuvachana. By the boys who are trying something. Okay. Rajamanam Simhasanam in the throne that was kingly present, like that. Rajamanam means it was shining and present, that kind of thing. Okay. Vishayat, Buddhyamanat Vishayat, from the aspect that is being understood, that sense. Yudhyamanam Veeram, that is the valorful fellow who was fighting, that sense. Tvaramanaya Adhikarinya.
Tvaramanahi adhikarini tritiya. Strilinga shabda.
So this is similar to Kampamanaya. So Tvaramanaya Natva is there. This word Na is heard. Kampamanabihi. So Tvaramanabihi Adhikarini Nibihi. Adhikarini Bihi. Like that it will go. Okay. So Strilinga Tritiya Bahuvachana. Prayatamanaya Shikshakaya.
Prayatamanebhyah shikshakebhyah. Chaturthi pullinga
See,
shabda.
Kampamanaya Kampamanebhyah. So Chaturthi or Panchami. You cannot conclude. So either of those have the same form. But here it is Manaya. So here we can tell because Prathama Ekavachana, Chaturthi Panchami. Chaturthi Ekavachana is clear from Kampamanaya, Framaya. So this is actually in Chaturthi. Okay, Chaturthi Bahuvachana. Prayatamane Shikshakebhyah. But this alone can fit into Panchami fold also, because see Kampamanebhyah, but Ekavachana is distinct. Kampamanaya, Kampamanat, Mananat, Manat, Kshamitam, Kampamanat. So okay, so this is in Chaturthi.
Fourth one, sir, meaning?
Twaramanaya Adhikarinya, by the Adhikari who is hurrying. By the teacher, for the teacher who was trying. Bunjanayah Naikayah. Shashti is given already.
Nayikanam. Strilinga Shabda.
So Nayaha Nanam. Okay. So Bunjamananam Naikanam. Nananam. Bunjamananam. That's all. I said triple time. Sorry. Bunjananam. Oh, ma is not there. See, my brain gelled and generated the. So we have to see bunkte. See, remember this was kte, bunkte. So this is not a ate ending, kte ending. So this guy doesn't have a makara. So bunjanayah, bunjananam. Okay. It's a little more, it will take some time to practice that kind of no makara sense. Okay. Bunjananam naikanam. What is this bunjamanayah naikayah means? Of the leader, lady who is eating. But Naika also can mean some kind of actress, chief actress also. But here you will take it as a leader. Okay. So I don't know what is the context that she's eating, but anyway. Badhamanayam chintayam.
Badhamanasu Chintasu. Saptami Strilinga.
Saptami Strilinge Bahuvachanam. So Badhamanasu Chintasu. Okay. Badate. Badhamanasu. Ate ending. So Makara. So Makara is it. So amidst the worries that are troubling. Mama Badhamanasu Chintasu Samskrita Pathanam eva Klishtakaram. Spandamanayai Balikayai.
Spandamanabhyah Balikabhyah Chaturthi.
Very good. Spandamanabhyah Balikabhyah Chaturthi Bahuvachana. Well done. Adhiyanasya Pituhu.
Adhiyanam Pitrunam. Shashti.
Adhiyananam Pitrunam. Very good.
Shabdah.
Pituhu Pitroho Pitrunam. Well done.
Ukaranta
okay. Rikaranta.
Sorry, Rikaranta.
So Adhiyananam Pitrunam. Shashti Bahuvachane Pumsi Rikaranta Shabdah. Vikrinanayam Nirvahikayam.
Vikrinanasu Nirvahikasu.
Well done. So I think everybody has gone quiet. Bhagini is getting it. Good. She is the fastest finger. Vikrinanasu. Okay. Saptami Bahuvachana. Nirvahikasu. So what is this? The many managers, lady managers, amidst the many lady managers who are selling, or let's say saleswomen who are selling. Like some sense there. Nirvahika means one who is conducting the act. So it could be taken in different contexts to mean different things. Here obviously a sales lady or a manager, something like that. Saptami Bahuvachana. So amongst the many ladies who are selling, many manageresses who are selling, somebody is so and so. It's like that. It's to pick one out of many. You will use this in Saptami. So for example, Vikrinanasu Nirvahikasu Rama eva Tikshnamati. We had seen earlier also that. Okay. Oh, many more exercises. We can keep doing it. So I think we have to rush through a few of them. Okay, let's quickly see. Avarane dattanam shabdanam uchitaihi rupaihi striktasthanani purayata. See, now they have ascended us to the next level of difficulty. We have to now fit it in the context of a sentence. So we have to decide the vibhakti, okay, and the vachana and all those things. Okay, and also they should have just given the lat form, but they have actually given the shanach form. So it becomes a little easier. So we have to do just vibhakti change. Okay. So dash patnim patihi ahutavan bunjana. What?
Punjamana.
Punjanam.
Because of
Punjanam.
Punjamana.
Bunjanam patnim.
Patni
See,
Kriya
say
Ekvachanam.
Dvitiya vibhakti. Okay. Patnim patihi ahutavan. Now, somebody is hammering away.
Carpenter.
Whoever has a carpenter working, if they can stay muted kindly. Okay. So the patnim patihi ahutavan, the wife as a object, the subject who is the husband, he invited. So kidrishim patnim bunjanam patnim. Okay. Vedam dash vatubihi guruhu namaskritah adhiyanah.
Adhiyanaihi vatubihi.
Very good. Tritiya
bahuvachanam pumsi.
See, this is classic karmani prayoga. Okay. Vatubihi guruhu namaskritah. See, guru was saluted by the vatus, by the students, brahmacharis, who were studying the Veda. Studying is adhiyanaihi vatubihi. Of course, adhiyanaihi goes to also Tritiya as a visheshana to vatubihi. Not in English, but in Sanskrit. Okay. So Vedam is the karma pada for the adhyayana. Okay, Kriya. So Vedam adhiyanaihi vatubihi guruhu namaskritah abhavat. Okay.
What is the name of a person? No, sir. What is the name of a person?
Vatu is the title for a brahmachari. In a Gurukula. Yeah. Dash apanikena vastunaha muulyam uktam. Vikrinanah. See here. Apanikena, so kampamanena vikrite, something like that. So no makara, vikrinanena. Luckily they have already given the ekavachana form in prathama vibhakti, so it's not so. Vikrinanena apanikena. Okay. Tritiyam pumsi. Dash chatreshu utsahaha mahan asti spardhamanaha. Very easy. Chatraha. So chatreshu spardhamaneshu. Luckily already it is actually similar. So it is simply copycatting that. So akaranta pulling. So dash putrinanam utpatanam karaya. So this is a directive load. So tvam karaya. So tvam kim karaya? Utpatanam karaya. Utpatanam means cutting or removing. Okay. And then Kutrinanam utpatanam. Kutrina means bad grass. That means not a useful grass. Means some kind of a weed. So Kutrinanam utpatanam karaya. So get the removal of the grass done. Kuru is directive. Karaya is get it done. Okay. So in load. So Vardhamanani goes to what?
Vardhamananam.
Vardhamananam putrananam. The answer itself is easy, but understanding the sentence is a little more exciting. So the growing weed, the removal, you get it done of the growing weed. Okay, so that's just it. Atmanam dash tarunanam sneham aham na ichchami. Bahumanyamanaha.
Tarunanam.
So what is this? Atmanam bahumanyamanaha tarunaha. The tarunas who think much of themselves, which is the status today everywhere. Okay, so of these tarunas, of these young fellas, okay, who think much of themselves, the friendship I don't like. Who likes? Okay, so bahumanya mananam. So like this, guys. Bagini?
Is sneham friend?
Sneha is friendship. Friendship. Okay, what we will do now? I will skip forward. Okay, because there is too much to do. Okay, you guys try this out. Okay, and I think you should cross check with the answers in the last sheet. Okay, but I have also opened up the screen here for a while, so you can refer it to later to that. So we will skip forward. Otherwise, there is endless number of exercises here for us to do. Okay, so let's learn a little bit more before we conclude today.
Sir.
Yes, madam.
Sir, actually, I think when the previous discussion was happening about Shashti Vibhakti, about the among, where you actually Shashti Vibhakti is for possession, and one more thing is for among. So
Among.
we have that Pandavanam Jaishtha Yudhishthara. That is among the Pandavas, Yudhishthira is like Jaishtha. So somewhere in the middle you had mentioned whenever the among comes, we need to use Saptami.
See, Pandaveshu Yudhishthira, Pandavanam Yudhishthira, both are okay, you're saying. Okay, good. So
No,
that means
I just was wanted to confirm that.
It sounds like Pandaveshu Yudhishthira is Saptami style. Maybe Shashti style Pandavanam Yudhishthira is also there. It's possible. Okay, so you can amidst or amongst can be used in Shashti Bahuvachana or Saptami Bahuvachana. Correct. It feels correct.
Oh, okay, sir. So we can, if that is there, either of them will be right. That is, or it is again contradiction or something.
No. You can use either as you choose. Yeah.
Okay.
Sir, can you please add that Vachana and Linga for the 6th sentence, sir?
Madam, I could not hear you. Just let me mute everyone. Wait a minute. I have muted everyone. Oh, you unmute yourself and ask again. Huh. No, I can't hear you. No. I can hear you. Please ask Rama Bhagini.
Yeah. In the 6th sentence, sir, I think can you add that Vachana, Linga and Purusha? It's a great help, sir. Atmanam,
See, Tarunasya, Tarunayoho, Tarunanam, Shashti Bahuvachana. Right? Okay. Oh, why is it missing is the question.
It is not there.
Madam, you picked up the one that I don't have. What can I do? It is Shashti Bahuvachana.
No, I am just copying everything.
Shashti Bahuvachana. Don't copy. This is in video. It will be visible to you. You can screenshot it later. Okay. So Pada Sangraha, and believe me, okay, I have done my best effort to get everything right. There may be errors. Okay, these are all best effort basis I am trying to do. Okay. Please trust the answer key in the back of the book more. Pada Sangraha. Let us do a little bit more to feel happy today. Otherwise, there will be too much to do in the few classes that are left. Man, masj. Okay, majjati. Manth, ma, much. Interesting dhatus today with all makaras. Okay, so man, to think, to conceive an idea. Let us at least look at the let form. Man, manyate, thinks. Masj, to take a dip, to drown. Oh, sad second one. Majjati. Okay, nimajjati is used for that kind of sense. Deeply taking a dip or even disappearing sense. Month, to churn. We know this is Manthara is doing this churning in Kaikeyi's mind. So month. Maybe her name is because of that. Okay. Anyway, Mathnati. Okay. In fact, in Tamil, even today, we use that stick that is used for churning is called mat from Manthana. So less Tamilian thinks that they are not related to Sanskritam. It's a reminder. The relationship between the languages is very old.
Samudra Mantarana is there, sir.
Samudra Mantana is no doubt. It's a Sanskritam word. I was just reminding my Tamil friends that they use the same dhatu for naming the churning stick. Yeah. Ma.
In Hindi also we tell mathni.
Correct. In Hindi also you use that. Mati, measures. Nice one. Much, to leave or abandon. Munchati, abandons, like that. Okay. Just give me a second. Be reading the one of the Bhaginis. I would like to invite Jayashree Bhagini. Just read these example sentences while I come. I have to answer the door. I am alone at home.
Please read, madam.
I'm sorry, which sentence is this? Hanumana Rama.
Right side. No. Padasangraha. Rama, Hanuman, Ramam, Swami. That one you have to read.
Hanumana Ramam Swami iti manyate. Ten Ramah Swami अस्माभिः अपि सः स्वामी इति मन्तव्यः यथा हनुमान् तथा मन्तुं तस्मिन् रामे अस्माकं भक्तिः मनसा स्थापनीया अस्माभिः भक्तः गङ्गायां मज्जति यदा अहं गङ्गा प्राप्स्यामि तत् मुञ्चयामि काश्यां गङ्गायां निमज्ज्य अहं विश्वनाथालयं गमिष्यामि च.
It is
Okay,
Mangshyami.
Bhagini, thank you. Thank you for helping us out. Thank you for filling in the time by reading those. So you guys have to try these kind of things. Doesn't matter if there are errors. Okay. So when you try something deep with these dhatus, they start internalizing better. Okay. So I have done that effort here. So Bhagini read a few of that, and here I think she was having some difficulty with these tough ones. So see, Mangshyati, the font didn't allow that, so they had, but here actually it collects whatever font I'm using supports this complex form. So yada aham gangam prapsyami, tada aham tasyam mangshyami. When I obtain Ganga, that means I approach Ganga river, at that time I will in her I will dip, take a dip, mangshyami, this kind of examples. Kashyam Gangayam nimajya aham Vishwanathalayam गमिष्यामि च. So इदानीं अभवत् किल एतत्. तो काश्यां गङ्गायां प्रधानमन्त्रिः निमज्य विश्वनाथालयं गतः इति वक्तुं शक्नुमः. अस्तु. तो एवं अस्तु. अत्र माति इत्यत्र मया किमपि लिखितमस्ति. मापयति इति निजन्तः. ओके, मापयति transferred sense, sometimes स्वार्थे णिच् अपि भवति तत्र. So माति मापयति इत्यपि अस्ति तत्र. Measures. Okay, so
sir, actually in the previous slide, I think first time we got a word which starts with our nasika nijanta. So this nijanta.
I didn't get you, Bhagini. What are you trying to say?
This nijantaha. So I was just wondering this. No, na is the starting.
Oh no. See, oh, I know what you mean. Nakara in the beginning. See, this is a Paninian niche. It is a Paninian title niche. Okay.
Okay.
So that's why Panini can use any letter he wishes for naming sannyas. So this is not a laukika shabda. Nich anta is the word with a nich ending. Pratyaya, I mean, it's actually in the middle actually, but ending to the dhatu.
Sir, mapayati means to make someone measure, is it?
See, actually, that's what I'm telling. So normally it doesn't mean mapayati. It doesn't necessarily transferring the action to a third person. I mean, make someone do. Nijantas have both swartha and parartha applications. Okay. Here it sounds like swartha nich. Okay.
Okay.
Sometimes some of these dhatus come in different ganas. Okay, in one gana they will show that niche declension, in another gana they don't. So it's a little complicated. Some dhatus appear in multiple ganas. and have different declensions there. Okay.
Astu, dhanyawad.
Prahelika, we will see this one and close out. Okay, I'm stretching you guys. Apurvoyam maya drishtah kantah kamalalochane shontaram yo vijanati savidvannatra samshayah. Apurvaha ayam. This guy is exclusive without any previous historic example. Maya drishtaha, by me he was seen. Kantaha, a dear one. Okay. Kamala lochane, hey Kamala lochane, hey you with the eyes of a lotus. This is an addressing. So hey Kamala lochane, Kantaha apurvaha ayam maya drishtaha. This desirable fellow who is not having any history was seen by me. Some lucky girl. Shontaram yo vijanati savidvan natra samshayah. Okay. So shontaram yaha vijanati. Okay. The one who knows this shontara. I don't know what this shontara normally would mean. I have seen something which is strange and lovely. It has show in the middle only, they have said. Usually, there will be a different superficial meaning than this technical show in the middle.
So maybe Ashoka.
It's answer. Ashoka.
Okay, the answer is Ashoka. Okay, Ashoka, the first letter. Okay.
And show in middle.
Right, brother. See, the only thing is I was looking for the one who knows this something called Shontaram. I was looking for what can be another Laukika meaning for Shontaram if we forget the declined Akara. So, but I don't see anything here to translate Shontara to something else. So, for example, the one who knows good action is a Vidwan. There is no doubt, something like that. So Shontara, whether it has some such Laukika meaning as a collective word, but finally they don't explain anything. So maybe there is nothing like that. Actually, yeah. Here it is. I have it in the bottom, guys. Sorry. Show tanukarane, to sharpen. Okay. Antaram, inside. Yaha vijanati saha vidwan. So the one who knows to sharpen his mind, he is a vidwan. Natra samshaya. So there is a Laukika meaning to that other than the simple play of words. So the one who knows to sharpen his mind, he is a Vidwan, like that. Okay. So finally, if we break it down like Varya did it, Apurvaha, you can technically break it as that which has a in the previous part. Okay. Ka antaha, that which has kakara in the inside. Show antaram, that means one which has the show in the actually ka antaha, that means end. Sorry, not inside. Antaha means ending, right? So ka in the end and show antaram means show in the middle. Okay, so that is a technical breakdown. So a show ka comes out of that. Okay, so that is easy enough. So the intended meaning, the thing which I have seen is apurva, beginning with a, kanta ending with ka. The letter show is in between them. So here they didn't actually dig up the Shontara sense. I wish they had put that in the book. I was intrigued because kavis are not so loose. They usually give some other Laukika meaning so that you get confused. So Shontaram actually has a meaning. Okay. Okay, so he is the lucky Kantaha and she is the lucky Kantimati.
Vijanati is no.
Vijanati knows. Yeah, knows. So Apurvaha ayam maya drishtaha kantaha kamalochane, we understood. Shontaram yo vijanati sa vidwan na atra samshaya. Na atra samshaya is simply Udgara saying there is no doubt that the one who is vidwan is the one who knows the sharpness of his interior mind, like that. I mean, that means he sharpens his mind. You take that in the overall sense, like that.
Sir, earlier we saw Tanoti. So has that anything to do with this Tanu Karane?
Where is Tanu Karana here, madam? I'm getting confused.
Show Tanu Karane, last line.
Oh, this one. This one, you know, in Dhatu Pata, in Dhatu Pata, they always try to give a Paryaya Dhatu to get the meaning of one. So Tanu Karana, Tanu is, is atomic. So Anu, Tanu means subtle, small. So in the sense of sharp also you can take it. Okay.
It has nothing to do with Tanoti, no?
I think so. Tanoti may be having some sense of that also.
Okay.
Possible. I have to look.
Sir, in exam, we'll get this Prahelika.
Oh yeah. We will get any one or two of the Prahelikas asking you to explain the Prahelika and solve it. Try to put
In
your
how
own
many
words.
sentences we have to give answers?
Just usually it will be 2 marks or 3 marks, no more. So you can state in 4 or 5 sentences, explain the Laukika meaning of the thing, and then explain the technical breakdown, like apurvaha means with a in the previous place, ka antaha means ka in the last position, sho antaram means with sho in the middle. So the answer is Ashoka. Actually, finally, Ashokam yaha vijanati saha vidwan. The one who is vidwan is the one who knows Ashoka also. Means lack of shoka. One who stays without any duguda. Yeah.
So like this also, if you explain also in the exam, no problem, sir.
Yeah, Bhagini. But don't go page and page and page. Just stay with half a page. Huh?
Okay.
Look at the marks. See, one sheet worth of answer should be worth at least 6 marks. Okay. And so somebody will take a 2-mark question and give you full blast. They're wasting their time. Huh?
Okay.
Look at the marks to decide how much to go. And if you're in doubt, add a couple of more sentences. Don't go too short. But don't go on and on. That's all. Okay. And try to put your own words. Huh? Don't just pick from the book. Huh? Unfortunately, in this because we are all doing postal mode only, largely not doing exam hall type of thing, there is a tendency to just look at the book and write what it is. But at least, I'm not saying you won't look at the book. It's okay. But try to understand what's in the book again and write it in your own words. That much effort you put. So at least now, as part of the exam writing, you learn it well. Okay. All right. So we will call it a day. Really take an extra time today. So let's continue with the Subhashitam onwards tomorrow at 11 o'clock. Okay. Have a nice day. Have a nice lunch. So let's pray. Sahana bhavatu sahanau bunaktu saha viryam karavavahai tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Namaste. Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you, sir. Good day.
Namaste.
Hari Hari.